Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a one-off period box for you to try that has been sent to me for review. You will see from the title that it is called Blob Box. Now you will either love this name or you will hate this name. I feel like it's a bit like Marmite like that. I love it. I think it's hilarious and amazing. I just filmed this entire video, literally 17-18 minutes of video of chatting and showing you guys everything, and my camera just didn't record for some reason. So it's all been opened and I'm super annoyed because you know I like to open things on the fly with you guys. But yeah, the owner contacted me and asked if I would like to review a box, and you may or may not know, but I do not use throwaway period products anymore. I only use reusable products, so reusable pads like cloth sanitary pads, moon cups, or period pants. That is, I will never ever go back to using throwaway things ever again, just because it's better for the environment, it's comfier, I just prefer it as a person. And so when I got the initial email I was like, oh, I don't know, and then I spoke to the lady and she said we actually have a reusable option, and I was like, amazing, I love it. They do a menstrual cup or they do reusable pads. They have 4 different kinds of boxes. They have a light blobber, medium blobber, heavy blobber, and then a first time blobber. My belly just rumbled because I'm hungry. First time is for young girls who are just starting their period, or parents who want to sort of promote self-care to their daughters. You get self-care products, so like sheet masks, candles, chocolate, tea, all that good stuff, and then you get your sanitary products as well. Every time, the boxes will change throughout the year, and they are hoping to be a subscription service at some point, but at the moment it's just one-off boxes. I do have a discount code which is LOOSEBB10, which will get you 10% off your first box. I went for the menstrual cup option, and I'm going to show you guys what is inside. So it comes like this. I'll try and insert some pictures of me before I ripped it all open, but it's like this. It says Blob Box, which I love. So to go with your flow, every month, or not every month, but every box, the sanitary products will be in a little reusable bag like this. You can pick whether you want pads, towels, tampons, panty liners. You can pick a specific brand. If they don't have the brands that you like, you can message them and they can see what they can do. Moon cup is the menstrual cup that I use, and I think the reusable pads are called Wear 'em Out. If I've got that wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I've got a moon cup. So if you don't know how to use a moon cup, or you're grossed out by a moon cup, don't be. Reusable pads and moon cups are amazing. I did a video which I will link somewhere for you guys. But this is the moon cup. The video sort of goes into more depth on how to use them. I don't obviously show you filming up my vagina because it's YouTube and I don't want that on there. But you can, it's like different ways to fold them. You can, there's lots of different ways to do it, and the instructions are very thorough with a moon cup. So see how you feel. You might love it, you never know. So that is my product. The boxes are always worth over £50, more if you have a moon cup or the reusable pads, because they are obviously more expensive to buy in the first place. I'll put on the screen how much a moon cup costs. And then you get all your goodies. They do have an offer on at the moment where when you buy your first box you get a free gift, which is a notepad, which is so cute. It's a me time notepad, which is just really nice. That is valid from now, because this box was actually posted about 3 weeks ago, and poor Royal Mail, bless them, they're just inundated with people trying to get presents and cards to loved ones, and it didn't arrive until yesterday. So I think it took just under 3 weeks to arrive to me, unfortunately, and it's UK shipping. But yeah, it just didn't arrive in time. So it's valid from now until the 31st of January, I think. Like, if it's wrong, I'll put it on the screen. So we've got that. And then we have a little self-care card. We have a little box here that says, hello, welcome to your first Blob Box and the community you are now a part of. You should find included in your Blob Box, Say that 10 times fast. Sanitary products for your time on the blob, as well as products to add to your self-care routine to make you feel pampered and putting yourself first. And this is the owner of the box. There's a reward scheme. There's a QR code you can scan. All the information is on their website about the loyalty scheme and a way to earn rewards. And then it just tells you what's inside the box. So I've got a Christmas card. I've got a sheet mask by Patchology. I need to check if this is cruelty free, but it's a really pretty pink, and it says it is, let me have a look, £5, packed with ingredients like tea tree, willow bark to help combat stressed skin. The peppermint is perfect for soothing inflammation and slowing the production of oils. Just think of each imperfection as another excuse to mask. So that's lovely. We've got some chocolate that I've already tried because I've already filmed. It's the raw Halo. I'm not going to eat any more. I've literally had, like, this is my breakfast. Literally had like the tiniest little corner. It is dark chocolate and raspberry, and it's vegan and gluten-free, dairy-free, and it is just delicious. I've had this little corner. So nice. If you don't like dark chocolate, feel free to post yours to me. That will be amazing. We have this super little cute bath thing, which is a Vari, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, it's V-A-R-I, Cosmetics Toasted Marshmallow Scoop. It literally looks like a scoop of ice cream. And it says, unwind in the bath with these buttery bubbles that smell of sweet and toasted marshmallows, £2.70. We have a Womankind tea. This is just like a relaxing tea, and it is cranberry, rose and exotic vanilla. I'm going to try it. Rose is really far down on the list of ingredients, so I am going to give it a go and hope that it doesn't taste like roses. Because then we have a candle, which is really cute, and it says this is Nata Concept Store Fleur candle made with essential oils, jasmine, neroli and orange blossom, hand poured using soy wax, which is environmentally friendly and sustainable, at £4. You will need to put this on a heat proof dish or plate because there is no bottom on it. So if you like this and put it on your side, you're gonna have wax all over your side. And then the last item I was really excited about, it is a Our Remedy Mood Swings, and it is CBD oil. I use CBD oil for anxiety and have done for about a year, and I think it's amazing. This is £31.99, so this is already more than what you pay for the box. And this is for all those ups and downs we experience as women: menstrual pains, hormone imbalance and food cravings. CBD may help you. If you don't know what to do with CBD oil, get out of the box. I'm not going to do it because I've already filmed it on the other one and I only have one lot a day. Doesn't taste the nicest, but you get a little pipette and then you just drop it under your tongue and you hold it there for a minute and then you swallow it, and that's it. This is grapeseed oil, 500 milligrams CBD, clary sage and peppermint. So I highly recommend it. I love CBD oil, so I know it's not for everyone, but I like it. So that is the box. As I said, throughout the year, certain new boxes will launch, but you will have to check their website if you want to, like, if you buy it every month, you're going to get the same products every month. Unless the new box has launched on the website, you will have to keep checking that, and then they do hope to have a subscription service at some point in the future. But yeah, that was the box. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed it. I think it's a really lovely box, especially I like the first time Blobber box. I think that's really nice because it says it has items in it that can sort of help young girls feel like periods aren't taboo, because they're not. It's a period. We all get them. But I was 10 when I started my periods and I was just like, ugh. So having something like this that sort of made it into a fun time rather than dreading it, I think would have been really lovely. So I really like that concept of it. I think that's especially awesome. Thank you so much to Blob Box for sending me this. If you guys like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. There's still a few days left to enter Vlogmas giveaways. From the 12th until the 25th, it's still open, so you can enter all those. I'll link them down below for you guys. I'm going to go downstairs and try not to eat the rest of this chocolate because it was so yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.